In this video, you will be learning about conductors and insulators. Let us begin. The objectives are: what are conductors of heat? What are insulators? And applications of conductors and insulators in our daily life. Let's begin. We start our class with an activity. Take a bowl which is made of steel. Then take one metallic spoon or a steel spoon. Take another spoon which is made of plastic and dip or put these two spoons there into the vessel. Bring very hot water and pour that into the bowl. Now tell me, after 10 minutes, what do you feel when you touch both the spoons? Yes, answer is ready. When you touch this metallic spoon, you feel very hot or warmth. But in this case, this plastic spoon, it didn't feel hotness. Am I right? You do perform this activity at home and record your observations or feel your observations. Okay. So in the previous class, you have learned that heat transfer takes place there in solids, but all solids, the heat transfer takes place really? No, you can say this activity itself shows that heat cannot easily go along a plastic spoon or a wooden stick. So, our concept is conductors and insulators. The materials which allow heat to pass through them easily are called conductors, and the materials which do not allow heat to pass through them are called insulators. Here are certain things given. You have to classify them as conductors and insulators. Here is a plastic. I say here are so many plastic boxes, and here is INA. Next, let us see what is that next one. Next one is a glass tumbler, and the next one is copper wire. And here you have a vessel utensil, cooking utensil, which is made of metal. Okay, you have to classify these materials as conductors of heat and insulators. As I said, the materials which do not allow heat to transfer or heat to pass through them are bad conductors of heat, and they are called insulators. The materials which allow heat to pass through them very easily are called conductors. I hope you can classify these materials now very easily, which are conductors and which are insulators, and you are going to write that there in your homework book. Move on to the next slide. Uses of good and bad conductors in our daily life. There are so many uses. What are they? Let us see. See, cooking utensils are made of metals. They are good conductors. Okay. Then boilers. Boilers are made of metals which are also good conductors. and the kettle is made of metal, which is also good conductors. So we understand that metals are good conductors. All metals are good conductors, and metals are used for making cooking utensils, boilers, boiler tubes, kettles, etc. Now, what are the uses of insulators? Let us see. Here, this is cooking utensil. It is made of metal. It is a good conductor. But what is this? The handle? The handle is made of plastic, ebonite or wood. Plastic, ebonite and wood are bad conductors of heat that does not allow these things, materials do not allow heat to pass through them. So the handle, we can catch it, we can hold the handle very easily. Okay, now next one. Yes, here what is this? Wool. For what purpose we use wool? We use wool to make the sweaters and all. No? Here, what is that use of insulator here? Yes, air is a bad conductor of heat. Air is an insulator. Wool traps a lot of air in between, and so it does not allow our body heat to move outside. That is what sweaters make our body warm during winters. Now, have you ever seen the houses which are made of bricks? Yes, you will be seeing there in villages and all the houses which are made of bricks. No? Isn't it? Yes. Use of bricks and mud for making houses helps to shield us from the heat of the sun during summer. These materials are bad conductors of heat and hence do not let the outside heat to reach easily inside the house. We can now also understand why rooms with thin roofs often becomes very hot during summer. Can you give the answer? Why the roofs which is made of tin or aluminium becomes very hot? Because they are good, they are metals and they transfer heat very easily, good conductors. But bricks and mud are bad conductors, we call them as poor conductors or insulators. Now, next one. What is this? Ice box. Ice boxes are often made as double-walled containers. The layer between them, between the two walls, the layer between the two walls trapped air. As air is a bad conductor of heat, does not easily let the outside heat to come inside the or move inside the ice box. The ice therefore does not melt quickly. So these are the uses of insulators. There are many other uses also. Insulators and conductors have so many uses in our day-to-day life. Okay, now move on to the next slide. Summary of the lesson. We learned heat transfer. Topic is heat transfer. In that topic, subtopics we learned conductors and insulators. What are conductors? Conductors are materials which allow heat to pass through them. Examples of conductors are all metals. What are insulators? Insulators are materials which do not allow heat to pass through them. Examples are wood, air, water, plastic, thermocol, so many things. Yes, both of them have very many uses in our day-to-day life. Okay, children. So I hope you all understood today's topic, very short and simple topic, and do the given homework. The homework is read textbook page number 67 and 68 three times, write the given work Word document of homework questions will be forwarded. Okay, children. So thank you. Have a good day.